So guys, I'm gonna story you the We Are Australians. We are Australians. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna do it like 3 times. We are Australians. We are citizens from our family, school, church, sub-country, classroom, community, team, town, ward, street, state. As citizens of Australia, we have rights. And we have responsibilities. But we are also part of something bigger. Australia's first national people had lived on and cared for country for tens of thousands of years. First national knowledge lived through songlights and shared through dance, stories, and celebration. Other citizens have traveled to make Australia their home. They have brought their own traditions and celebrations. Australia is unique, and so is what each of us brings to it. It is up to us to be part of the present, to act for the future, to know our history, to connect with the people who have lived here for thousands of generations, to acknowledge on whose lands we talk. Embrace the first languages of our place, connect to living, breathing country that holds memories and sunsets us. Our treatment of the land will affect those yet to come. Stamp our feet, wake up the ancestors. Let the dust settle on our skin. Listen deeply to stories, to points of view, to country. Then treasure our differences and use our voices to speak up and stand together as citizens, as Australians. The end.